In case you're not aware, it is God that brought America. Imagine a world without America, whereby country presidents can do whatever they like in the country, treat their citizens the way they like, knowing that there is no upper hand that will hold them accountable. The world would have been a disaster, as in would have been the most dangerous place to live. Yes, whereby presidents can do whatever they like because they know that no upper hand can hold them accountable. Imagine since how many years we have been crying in Nigeria about insecurity. Now America came and strike. Imagine the way our political leaders are now learning, knowing that there is upper hand. Those of you that are saying that America went to Venezuela and tampered with their sovereignty, when Nigeria went to Benin Republic and bombed them, is Benin Republic not an independent country? Is it not going into their own sovereignty? So why is it when it comes to America, now America is tampering with people's sovereignty? A world without America would have been a very dangerous place. Presidents will do whatever they like, knowing that nobody can hold them accountable, knowing that they will go scot-free. But now, because of America, people will be scared. Now, in case of you, imagine America capturing the president of Venezuela and the world is crying that America is doing something bad. Meanwhile, the people of Venezuela are celebrating. They are happy with what the President Trump did. In case you're not aware, watch the people of Venezuela celebrating.